You always want what you can't have, and while you had it.
A Realme smartphone sporting model code Realme X3 and said to be the Realme X3 received TENA certification last week, revealing a couple of specifications in the process. Now the listing on the Chinese certifying authorities website has been updated with the phone's images and full specs. The listing suggests that the phone will have 3 RAM variants, namely 6GB, 8GB, and 12GB, with 3 storage options: 64GB, 128GB, and 256GB. It will have a total of 6 cameras, with 4 on the back and 2 on the front. On the back, the configuration for the cameras will be 48 megapixel, 8 megapixel, and 2 megapixel sensors. On the front, there will be a 16 megapixel sensor and a 2 megapixel sensor. These sensors will be housed in a hole punch design. The listing also shows that the Realme X3 will be powered by an octa-core processor, with a set of cores clocked at 2.4 GHz. The alleged Realme X3 will run Android 10 and will feature 5G, Bluetooth, and LTE connectivity options. The screen will be 6.57 inches, 1080 into 2400 pixels. The battery is expected to be 4100 mAh. The TENA listing also states that the phone will weigh 192 grams and that it will come in 2 color options, namely gray, blue, and white. The images on the website show the gray-blue variant, which is a blue back panel with a V-shaped design. Notably, the same screen size, battery capacity, and a few other specifications have been previously leaked as well. Coming to the alleged Realme X50 Youth Edition, a known tipster shared through a Weibo post that the Youth Edition of the Realme X50 will come with 6 cameras. The configuration, as shared by the tipster, seems to be exactly the same as the aforementioned Realme X3. The 4 rear cameras are believed to be 48 megapixel, 8 megapixel, and 2 megapixel sensors, while the front cameras are suspected to include a 16 megapixel sensor and a 2 megapixel sensor. The Realme X50 Youth Edition is rumored to come with model number RMX2052 and was previously spotted in a 3C listing, showing 5G support and 30-watt fast charging. And that's it for today. If you want to keep in touch with the latest leaks and rumors in the tech world, then click that subscribe button below. Thank you for being here. See you in the next one.